guys, it's me Stace. I am back today with another Cricut video. We are also doing our Make It On Monday project, and today we are making a super easy and adorable happy birthday card. The entire front of the card is done using the Cricut markers. I chose the colors Jade and the color Red for the front of my card, but you can of course customize those, but super cute. All right, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. On this screen, we're going to go down until we get to the first category, which is going to be cards, and then click on View All. Upper right hand corner where it says Cards, click on that and click on Cricut Access. Search box in the upper right hand corner, type in the word Quick, and then click on Enter. And the card we're making is this one here. It is called the Quick and Easy Happy Birthday Card. Click on that, it'll bring up a preview window, and you can see the entire front of the card is made using the Cricut marker tools. Go ahead and click on Customize. All right, so we have the envelope and our card and card base. I'm going to click on the card base and move that out of the way. We have our marker layer and the piece that goes behind the marker layer. We're going to move that out of the way as well. We're going to work with the envelope and the marker layer. On the marker layer, right-click on that first and choose Duplicate. We can send one of those to the side. This will be our working piece here. So right-click on the marker layer again and choose Detach. Take the top layer off. You can delete that bottom piece. We no longer need that one. Right-click on it again and choose Detach. Take the top layer off and delete that. Now this piece, if you right-click on it, there's no detach option. The only way to hide part of the image is to contour it. I'm going to go ahead and use the Slice tool instead. So what I want to do is go to my left-hand side toolbar. I'm going to click on Shape. So I'm going to grab a square. I'm going to put my square over the image to only the two balloons on the left-hand side are going to show. So I'm going to bring my square up, unlock it, make it be wider and longer. Now even though it does show this part here, when you do slice it all together, that part is not showing. So once you have that covered, take your mouse across the entire thing, right click on that and go down and choose Slice. You can see it leaves us these two balloons here. Take your mouse across the entire other pieces and go ahead and delete them. Now I want to put the balloons on the envelope. On the envelope first, you need to detach the envelope before you can attach it. Right now there are score marks attached to the envelope. So you want to right click on that and choose Detach. Be very careful though not to move the envelope. If you do, you'll lose the score marks or you'll move them as well. I'm going to click on my balloons, right click on those first and choose Send to Front. Now you can pick where on the envelope you want them to go. If you want them on the front piece of the envelope with the top flap or bottom flap, you can pick. I'm going to put mine on the front flap, which means inside this square mark. I'm going to bring it over on the lower right hand corner, just like that. Take your mouse across the envelope, the score marks, and the balloons. Right-click on that again, and now choose Attach. That puts everything back on the envelope. Upper right-hand corner, click on Make It. We have this piece that goes behind the marker layer on the front of the card. The next piece is the marker layer, and that does use two colors. Then we have the envelope with the score marks and the marker piece. Then we have the card base. I'm going to click on Continue, cut it out, go to the table, and put the card together. Alright guys, here we are. All of our pieces are cut out. I'm first going to take my envelope, go ahead and finger press on the score marks to get them started. And then take your bone folder and go in there and give all that a good crease. Alright, take your little flaps on the sides, put them in. Bring your bottom layer up and then grab your glue. I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get this from MadeMeMadeIt.com. I'm going to take that pin out of there and put some glue on my flap here. Just like that, a little bit more on this side. Then we can go ahead and close that off. And just give it a little press to let the glue stick. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. It's a super cute little envelope with our little balloons on the front. Now we have the card base, and this I chose Stampin' Up's color Poppy Parade. And we have the layer that goes on top of that, and this is the Smoky Slate layer. You can choose any color you like. Put some glue on the back of that one. Bring that piece over. And this gray piece actually measures 6 3/4 by 4 1/4, so I did go ahead and cut a piece for the inside as well. because I'm using a color cardstock, I like having a white insert on the inside. If you want to, you can always go in there and add this piece and add balloons if you'd like to it, or anything else you like. I'm leaving it plain. All right, I'm going to score this again really well. And now we have this layer. Now I chose the markers. This is the jade color, and this is just red. So I chose jade and red. I kind of thought it matched my envelope and my paper here. Now what I'm going to do with this piece is flip it over and pop it up. I'm going to grab some foam squares here. I'm going to put one on each corner and a few in the center. I'm actually going to put two in that corner because these are small ones. And I'm going to go two in the center as well. Okay, and then give all of them a good little squish. Take the backing off and our card is done. I love simple cards. And using the Cricut markers is so much fun. And you can change the colors, you can customize the colors, make them be anything you want. And then take this, I'm going to plop that on top of that. How fun would that be? And because this is such a large card, you can always create a pocket on the inside and put a gift card in there, or some cash. You can even make it be a cash envelope. But there's the card. I love the outside of the markers. You can also use glitter markers if you have those. I'm going to take this and put it inside our envelope. Everything fits nicely. You can mail it out in the mail, or you can hand deliver it. But either way, super cute. Happy birthday card using the Cricut markers for our Make It On Monday project. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.